Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to understand box model of CSS. So, if you see our HTML, you see box model is my folder, and inside this we have index.html and style.css, right? So, if you see the index.html, we have the meta tags and the title and the link styles.css, right? Style.css, and in the body we have three divs, and each div is a box, right? So we have two different class. Box is a separate class, and box 1, box 2, and box 3 is different class, right? So box 1 has padding, border, shadow. So whatever we wrote here, you can see, right? So now what we will do, we will just separate the CSS so that we can we can understand the difference without CSS and with CSS, right? So okay. So what we will do now, we will just remove all the CSS from here and save. So now if we just see the project, so we see the box 1 padding border. So these are the texts, right? So what we will do now, we will just take everything from. Okay, so let's start styling the box first. We'll start from the box, right? So first of all, we have width 200 pixel and height 100 pixel. Okay, so we will give a border so that we can see. So you can see this here, 200 and 100 height, and now we will provide the border first so that we can at least separately see them, right? So you can see the 200 pixel width and 100 pixel height, right? So after that, we have font size 18 pixel, font size 18 pixel. So you see font size 18 pixel, and text align center. So all the text will be aligned center, text align center. So now you can see text aligned center, right? So we are trying to see everything separately, guys. Display flags, justify content center. When you do the display flags, let's see what happens. Okay, uh, justify content center. All the guys, all of our divs are within 200 pixel, right? You understand? Let's say if we just increase the 900 pixel, okay, width. So what happens in this case? You see, uh, okay, so it's not in the body, it's in the box, right? Anyway, align item center. So when you align item center, then you see these texts are being centered, right? And then margin 20 pixel auto, margin 20 pixel auto. So box will get the margin, right? So let's see. So let's erase the auto, then you can see that all of the boxes is getting 20 pixel, from top, right, bottom and left, right? So this is happening, but when you do the auto with it, it goes it goes in the center of the display, right? 20 pixel auto, and so we have the border black, right? So now box 1, for box 1 we will provide different CSS, right? Okay, so if we provide for box 1 background color light blue, right? If you provide background color light blue, let's see what happens. Background color light blue, and then padding 20 pixel. So when you do the padding 20 pixel, then so it's getting 20 pixel padding from the, from the margin, right? From inside it's taking 20 pixel padding, right? Border padding. Okay, box 1. So padding border shadow, border 4 pixel solid blue, right? Border 4 pixel solid blue. This is the border 4 pixel solid blue, and box shadow, this is the box shadow, right? So this box seems to us so big, guys. This is because of this only has 20 pixel margin, and this also has 20 pixel padding too, right? Everyone, so we need to understand why this is happening, why the box 1 is so big, right? So why is box 1 looking bigger than box 2 and box 3? The main reason is padding 20 pixel, of course. Okay, so this padding 20 pixel, is the main reason, but there may be some other things as well. Here what's happening technically, by default CSS box sizing is set to box sizing content box, right? So this means total width equal to width plus left padding plus right padding, left border, right border. So these are the things we need to these are the things are being considered as well. Height, top padding, bottom padding. Okay, so in your box, width is 200 pixel, padding is 20 pixel all sides, right? So border is 4 pixel all side. So so total width becomes 20 pixel plus 20 pixel plus 20 pixel padding plus 4 pixel border. So 248 pixel, right? So 248 pixel. So total height becomes 100 pixel height, 20 pixel plus 20 pixel, uh, 20 pixel plus 20 pixel padding plus 4 pixel plus 4 pixel border. So 148 pixel. So that's why box one looking larger usually. Solution: if you want padding and border inside 20 pixel width, then box sizing should be border box. So if we just take this and if we do the box sizing border box, then you see it becomes smaller, right? So this is the another reason. By default the box sizing is content box, right? So this changes the calculation to 200 pixel, everything included, content plus padding plus border. So box sizing border box. Now box one will not grow bigger, padding and border will stay inside. Okay, so let's say if we provide the box sizing here, okay, if we provide the box sizing here, box sizing border box, then see what happens. And see, everything is, you know, all of the box looks same, right? So but there is another question that, you know, when you say 20 pixel margin or padding, right? When you say padding 20 pixel, then all four sides is getting 20. So it should be width plus 20 pixel. Let's see, this is top padding 20, bottom padding 20, left padding 20, right padding 20. Now we are calculating the total. Left border 4, right left padding 20, content width. Why only 2 padding while there are 4 sides? Because width calculation left side plus right side, height calculation top side plus bottom side. Okay, okay, now I understand. Okay, so when you take the width, so left and right would be considered, and when you take the height, top and bottom would be considered, right? Now I got it. So this is the thing happens here, guys. Okay, I hope you got a clear idea about the box sizing.